All right, this is Daniel Kish of Victor's Roofing over here at 10,000 Oak Park Boulevard in Oak Park, Michigan. I wanted to perform a digital roof inspection on your house to show you a couple things going on the top of your roof here. I definitely want to show you where the leak's happening, what we can do to fix it, but I want to show you why it's happening, and a couple other concerns I have on the roof. Now, this is really interesting. I know when I went in the attic space and showed you your leak's coming from this box right here. What's happening is water's getting through here, dripping all the way down to the lowest point down here, soaking up inside of the insulation and hitting the drywall, which is going to cause it to have some interior damage there. I do want to show you though why it's leaking. What's very interesting on this roof here is when they put these box vents in, most of these box vents are not completely on the roof. I actually rarely see stuff like this where they didn't even nail this in, and I'll show you here. You can just slide the box vent out, right? Now the issue is that's a hole in your roof, and you can see the wood here. They didn't put any underlayment on this wood here on these box vents, which is very poor insulation when they put the roof in. And what happens is when water does get beneath box vents, it rots out wood unless there's something there to protect the wood. So we definitely need to get this fixed as soon as possible. I'm actually on this one because it was slid out like this when I came up here. I'm actually going to throw some caulk in there today just to get you some sealer for now. But we definitely need to rip this whole section up right here, fix the wood here, replace the box vent, put ice and water shield the way it should be done. That way you have no leaks coming through here. But there's a couple other concerns I have on your roof. Now, of course, because of that box vent, I checked all the rest of them. Almost every box vent, just like that, you can see where it slid down already, is sliding down. They didn't install these right at all. And actually over here, I'll show you, same thing. Look at this one. I haven't even touched this. I know for a fact it's sliding because it's not even in the roof right. So we definitely need to get those nailed in, taken care of, to keep leaks from coming in all over. Another point, two more things I want to show you on this roof. This whole front porch here, you see how it's much darker? It's called a lower pitch, to where water takes a little bit longer to get off. I know they didn't put the right ice and water shield underneath because you can see where the shingles are really dark colored from the streaking. But you can actually see here, if I get down low and show you, that it's bowed up right here. So you can lightly feel the wood, how it just pushes down. Water's getting down to this wood here. So at some point in time, water's going to show inside of the house here unless it's addressed. However, I want to show you one more thing, and that's your chimney flashing. As you can see here, chimney flashing is in pretty rough shape. They used old flashing. They didn't reflash this when they did this roof. So we definitely want to replace that eventually as well. But I'm going to tell you, with all these issues on the roof, I'm going to recommend a new roof at this time. The shingle itself, only, you know, probably about 15 years old. But with all the other issues you have on the roof, I really recommend a replacement if it fits your budget. However, if you can't do that at this time, we will perform a repair to get those things addressed for you. That way we keep you watertight for now. So I'm going to come downstairs and we're going to figure out which one and what we can do to make it work in your budget. Thank you.